Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to prepare deep fried fish fillets. For the ingredients, we have beaten eggs, fish fillets, wheat flour, breadcrumbs, and mixture of ginger and garlic. So for the first step, we are going to marinate the fish fillets. We're going to marinate it using the ginger and the garlic. So after doing that, we're going to leave it to rest for a while. So after leaving them for a while, we are going to proceed in passing them through the other remaining ingredients. This is the wheat flour, the beaten eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. We're going to do the same procedure with the other remaining pieces. So after doing all the procedure, now we're going to deep fry them. You fry them until they become golden brown. So we're going to do the same procedure with all other pieces remaining. So with me here is the end product of the deep fried fish fillets coated with breadcrumbs. And before I forget, to add flavor to my fish fillets, I added some salt in the beaten eggs that I passed them through. And the reason why the fish fillets look brown and crispy is because of the breadcrumbs. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share, and also to try out the recipe at home. I'm sure you will like it. Thank you.